This is the parking lot for Oro Dam Boulevard.
Pause the video if you need more time. This is what happened when an O-ring failed on the thermal bypass valve. This video will show how I made the previous upgrade more reliable. It turns out that O-ring failures and leaks are common with Jeeps with this valve. The solution is to install GM's engineered transmission oil cooler line connectors in their place and redo the trans lines. In addition, the cooling line between the shock-mounted radiator and the rigidly mounted thermal bypass valve would be replaced with a section of rubber. Here's the redo parts list. Same parts as the previous one, but different quantity. Both of these items can be bought at O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Disassembly. Remove the air deflector. Loosen all transmission line fittings. This includes removing of clips and finally removal of the lines. The making of one of the new hard transmission lines. This is different because of the GM trans cooling line flare replaces the shortened push connect / O-ring flare. Here we are making the GM transmission cooling line flare. Here we see all the new transmission hard cooler lines. The bypass valve to radiator cooler line prior to assembly. It shows the middle section cut, the light push connect flaring to prevent rubber hose from slipping, rubber hose and associated parts. Also the difference between the GM and Jeep flare solutions. Installing the GM engineered transmission connectors. Once installed and locked in place, it is a static seal inside a ridge housing good for 150k plus miles. Applying transmission oil to the GM connector / O-ring. Installing the thermal bypass valve to the two transmission cooler lines. Here we are installing the bypass valve to radiator cooler line. It is important to hear the click when inserted. This ensures that it is locked in place. Pushing on the multi-purpose clip / cap that helps secure the clip and minimizes debris.
Oh, there it goes. Huh, strange. Okay.
Checking for leaks. No leaks. Adding split loom to prevent potential touching of the lines to each other and the surrounding area. This shows the newly finished transmission cooler lines going to the updated thermal bypass valve, required end flaring for it, and oil flow direction. Thank you. It really helps the channel.